Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your organization's learning hours section. So you will need to be logged in as an admin, and you'll want to navigate to Edit Organization. And you'll notice here, Organization Features, there's an Enable Learning Topic checkbox. If your organization would like to use Learning Topic where your volunteers will be able to choose the topic, you need to make sure this checkbox is checked. And then if you scroll down to manage learning hours, you'll see here that you're able to edit the type of learnings and topics that your volunteers are able to choose from. So I'm just going to edit this one. Um, I can rename it or I can uncheck it so it'll no longer be active. Um, and so let me go back down. Actually, I'll just add a new one so you can see it working in action. So you can see my types of learning here. I disabled other, and I want to maybe add a new learning topic. I can do diversity. And you'll notice now if I go into impersonate a volunteer, I'll be able to now choose from the type of learnings. You can see that other is no longer there. And I'll also be able to choose the learning topic. You can see diversity as one. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. And thank you for watching the video.